Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a role play, so yeah. I'm gonna try to get this person. So yeah. Hi. Hi. Not okay. Girl. Okay. Anyway. So, God, I'm gonna just be by myself, probably. I might find a little kid, I don't know. But, yeah. Today I'm gonna be probably robbing somebody. I hope. I don't know. I think I am. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Alright. So now I'm gonna start driving. But I'm too short to drive. But yeah. I mean, I can touch the pedal and stuff. You know what? I'm just gonna teleport to a house, so. Because I really don't care for real. So, I'm gonna get a nice home, and that's gonna be this one. This is my house. It's kind of nice. I'm gonna count nice a little bit. Bro. Crap. Gray. Bro, why are you hitting my house? I don't like this house, kind of. I don't really like it. I gotta wait. Excuse me for my sniffing, bro. I don't want to hear your gutter. I mean, I'm just fine. But sorry if I'm sniffing. I'm kind of like a little sick. But yeah. We're going to get like a little size house. Ooh, I'm going to get this house. That is nice. That's cute. Sorry, y'all. I just had to go. But So this is the house. I like this house, actually. So, but I'm not gonna get this house because I don't want it. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see me move because I might move to like a new house. But I'm just gonna stay to this house for like some days and stuff. But yeah, I like the gray. But this is a nice house. This is a chill house. Alright, so my room is here. Pretty cool, pretty chill. But I'm just gonna get ready, so yeah.
Hold on while I clean up.
Be right back, guys.
Oh, she's probably tired. Until she wake up, she knows she don't know how to eat up too long. I don't know if this is a good idea, bro. You get a little too happy. You could pick the next TikTok child. What? Be real? Yeah. Why? A big black. Get ready. Y'all a little too extra for me. Let's see. Big black. Go in the basement and over there where all the clothes and shit. Don't let them see it. It's an incident down there. Oh. What? You just gonna ooh everything? It's all good. Not one thing's not one wrong, not one bad. Girl, have your popcorn. You guys, have your popcorn right now. You guys, this is not your traditional reaction video. First of all, she's sitting here with popcorn. Show me the popcorn. Oh, Frosted Flakes. That looks like popcorn. She wanted, y'all, Ren wanted to be on this video and watch in real, what, watching 4K, you said? Real? Watching 4K, I'm watching 4K, I'm watching now. Oh, watching the scene where Mason says about her videos, I am done with these. Yeah, she said, I'm listening, keep them coming. She likes the compliments. All right. So everybody go to our next one. It was this one. Yeah. Hey. Oh, I see. Got some pop smoke going on there. You got some pop. Okay, I see Ray with the little pop smoke with the booze, with the booze. She wanna Okay, so she got the pop smoke. And now, I think, listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, bro. I'm tired of y'all in these tickety. I'm tired of y'all in these tickety talks. You have to watch one more. I'm done. I don't know which one. There's one more. Why not every single one? Every single one. Nobody got time for that. You can watch it on your own time. Okay. And I'm keeping your phone to watch the TikTok. Hey, you got, can you maybe make some more TikToks, like amazing ones, just like these? Okay, girl. Guys, this is actually pretty dope. You only watch one more right here. Which one? Water-resistant device sweat from Maybelline, New York. You guys, okay, but Mason, pick up your bottom lip, sir. Yo, jaw, his literal jaw dropped. Mason, calm down. Okay, guys, that was a little extra. That's it. We not. Y'all gonna have to go see her TikTok by yourself, cause I ain't doing it no more. Ain't no more. Ain't no more. I just need a. Okay.
Sorry, guys. I had to do something.
You know what? I think I've had enough. You guys, honestly, I think I've had enough. Brandon Mason, I'm gonna take my phone. Because y'all, you don't have TikTok on your phone. And you were ready to finish this conversation. You're not about to sit and watch TikTok and pass out and drool.
Guys, something happened, but I have to reset. Guys, are you guys still okay? You guys are still on. Guys, oh my god. It's taking so long to come on. Alright. But this point, please stop. Please stop, lady. Lady, stop. No, ew, I don't like that one. I mean, I can use a white shirt. Sorry guys if you hear stuff. I'm watching something, so. Alright. Okay. We are going to. Wait, I have to change the glasses. Change the glasses. Glasses.
Mason? There you go. Alright, who we got over here? Oh, their mascot. Say your name. My name is Evan. Evan. Alright, and over here we got
It's slow right now.
We wanted to surprise them, but since we're outside right now, I guess you guys can see what this is. Based on do you guys know what this place is? There you go. All right. So, Heaven, Hamika, today we're going to be able to go jump on trampolines.
Alright, finally I have my outfit together. But yeah. So I'm gonna, do I still, oh, I don't. But y'all.
You're going to go crazy. So let's go inside and take a look and see. Look how, first of all, this is the whole building is stuff all in here. So, oh yeah, they're used to this. So you guys, I don't know if you've ever been here or been to something similar, but this place is crazy. So there's so much stuff to do. You can
Alright,
keep the kids.
perfect. So I'm gonna get the house that I have.
They got entertainment, they got everything. So let's go inside.
At this house. Okay. So
It's not too busy, but we're gonna go in here and we're gonna see.
I have it. This house is nice. Is it locked? Is it even locked? House locked. Okay, house locked. Okay. This is a chillax house. So yeah. That is cool. I hope you guys can really hear me, because my last video, I didn't put the sound on, so y'all didn't hear me. So yeah, but I will see y'all in the next video, and I'm probably gonna put the same video. This video is gonna be posted today, and today's Monday. So this video is gonna be posted on Monday today, and I'm gonna have the other video posted on Monday too. And we might have a special guest because we might do a role play with my cousin. I hope you guys saw part 1, but you guys didn't hear any sounds. Probably, I don't know, but you guys probably didn't hear any sounds. I looked at the video and yeah, but I know I was talking at the beginning. But I hope you guys like this video, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell and comment what your favorite part was. Bye.